For this video we are going to examine multiplying decimals. To do so we will need to follow a few basic steps. Step 1. Multiply the numbers normally, ignoring the decimal points. Step 2. Once we multiply and get an answer, put the decimal point back in. It will have as many decimal places as the two original numbers combined. Let's look at some examples. We have 0.6 times 2.4. Now, even though we are ignoring the decimal point in our first step, we should still line them up correctly as a good rule of thumb practice for adding and subtracting decimals. So, with our numbers, we multiply. We've got 6 times 4, which gives us 24. We put the 4 down, carry the 2. 4 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 2, we put our 2 down. We go to our next step. We put on our 0 for place value. 2 times 6 is 12, so we put our 2 in, carry the 1. 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. And then we add them up. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1. And we're left with 144. But there is no way 2.4 times 0.6 will give us 144. So we count the decimal places used in each number. 0.06 has 1. 2.4 has 1. So we add them up to get 2, and we put them in, leaving us with 1.44 as our final answer. For problem 2, let's look at a decimal and a whole number. We have 3.6 times 7. Again, line them up correctly, ignore the decimal, and multiply. So we've got 7 times 6, which is 42, so we'll take the 2, carry the 4. 7 times 3, which is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25, leaving us with 252. But again, there's no way that 3.6 times 7 will give us 252, so we count the decimal places used in each number. 3.6 has 1, but 7 has none. We move the decimal place one place to the left, leaving us with 25.2 as our final answer. For our last problem, let's look at 3.77 times 2.8. Line them up correctly, ignore the decimals, and we multiply. After we multiply all of our numbers, we are going to get 10556. So we know that 10,556 is way too big, so we count the decimal places used in each number. 3.77 has 2. 2.8 has 1. So 2 plus 1, we have 3. And we move the decimal 3 places to the left, leaving us with 10.556 as our final answer. And that is how you multiply decimals.